Hi! In this video, you'll learn about the Game Event Manager, how it works, and how it handles game events throughout the DoozyUI system. The Game Event Manager adds itself to the scene whenever the first game event is sent throughout the system. You don't really have to add it yourself, but if you want to do that, you right-click in the hierarchy view, go to Doozy, Managers, Game Event Manager, and it will be added automatically. It doesn't have any options because it doesn't need any options. All you can do, you can see what game events it captures. So you can go to General Settings, and here in the Debug options, you can debug the Game Event Manager, and you will see printed in the console all the game events that are sent throughout the system. It is important to note that it reacts to the system events, and these are, for example, application quit. When if the game event application quit is sent, it will perform the application quit steps and either exit play mode or quits your program in the build. Or you can, if you send the game event back, it will trigger the back button system function and so on. And let me show you, I'm going to delete it from this scene. And I'm going to set as this button, I'm going to say, let's send a game event. So on click, I'm going to send on trigger a game event. So let's select the game event and say my special game event, a simple string. And now let's press play, and when we'll press this button, the Game Event Manager will automatically be added to the scene because we've just sent the first game event, and you'll also see the game event printed in the console. So let's look at the console. You see that we do not currently have a Game Event Manager in the scene, but because this button sends a game event, this can happen either if you send it from code or from wherever. The Game Event Manager will get automatically created. So I'm going to click it. And there you go. Now we have a Game Event Manager in the scene. And notice that in the console, we have received a game event, my special game event. Let's also add another game event for another button. Let's say for 1. So buttons 1. And again, on click, I'm going to send the game event. And I'll say my second event. Something like that. Again, let's enter play mode, and you'll see in the console that these game events will appear. So let's press this button. There you go, my special game event and my second event. And that's it. I'm seeing this because I enabled, if you remember, from the debug mode, the Game Event Manager debug, the global debug. That's it for the Game Event Manager. Thank you very much.